That's what we strive for. Light. Find the light. Life should be easy. Life should be light. Shouldn't be hard. Shouldn't be heavy. Detach. Unplug. Be light as a feather. Nothing matters here. It's all be enjoyed. Spread the love. Involve as a team. There is no winning. There's no losing. So once you find the light, then you lead others out of the darkness and into the light. That's what enlightenment is. Lighten yourself up and then help others find the light, the wisdom, the fun, the joy. Enjoy the day, baby. Enjoy the day, and then life will open up to you, the happier you are. That's what enlightenment's all about. Get your shine on. The more you shine, the more you help others shine. That's what it's really all about. Helping the team evolve, baby. When we evolve, we grow, and we get a new perspective on things. And that helps us keep going. We don't want to be Groundhog Day, same thing over and over again. We want to learn. We want to get our Zen on. We want to learn how to bask in the moment and really enjoy this realm. Enjoy the Matrix. It has a lot of good stuff to offer if we're open to them. When we learn to detach from the little stressors, the little bullshit, unplug from the tech, from the fake news, all the noise. Just enjoy the day, baby. Enjoy Mother Earth, your connection to her.